evidence is the presiding. The matter has been duly set down today for purposes of bail application. Boksburg, sorry.
Of fairness. Whatever decision that may be made by the court, but there must at least, my client get ease to say that the evidence that we had were produced to the court. It was presented, and the bill of footage was played. That is my argument. Yes. Yes.
And then engage with lawful acquisition.
Court business. Unlawful acquisition.
Lawful acquisition.
Court business.
On the evidence.
Yes. And your ship, actually, this issue of relevance, there is what we call in law the scale of justice, which has Lady Justice, blindfolded. I'm speaking about the scale of justice. That scale of justice has the Lady Justice, blindfolded. That scale is not part of our law for decoration. It's there for the court to practically apply it. So, and the reason why I'm raising the scale of justice. The scale of justice must be balanced. And it may be otherwise. But it's important that the scale of justice is balanced. And there is a reason why Lady Justice is blindfolded. So, my point about this issue, when we look at the scale of justice, would, in the event that the bill of footage is not presented before the court, will the scale of justice be in our client's favor, the three applicants? No. And if those bill of footage are provided before the court, is there nothing that will be prejudicial to the state? The answer is no.
We are here today not representing, supporting families who children have succumbed to this brutal incidents in our community. This is a mother whose son was also taken away from us in March. January, sorry, next to me are also, as we are here, most of us are families of people that have been allegedly, let me use a better phrase, allegedly being killed by the same group of people. So all we want to see today is that really justice can prevail so we can get our trust back in the court system, because what we as community of Reiger Park also feel is that this court is failing us, because the guys come to court for very, very serious crimes and they are charged, and 2 days thereafter you see them walking in the street and they come back into that same community, kill. Now there's a new trend of them killing women. We are even scared to comment on Facebook because you don't know when you will be the next target. So as we are here, we plead, even with the justice system, the NCA, let them not fail us so we can really see results, because we are trapped, we are basically under hostage in our own community. And these are boys. They are young boys, they haven't even seen life. I doubt if some of them have even got degrees or probably worked for 10 years, but it's painful. It's painful when you pick your kids up one by one, week after week on the street. So we are here, thank you for the opportunity, but really we want to stand together and make sure that justice will prevail this time around.
And on my side,
I'm related
related to Jaden Magaman, one of the deceased. Regarding to what happened in court, there's nothing we can do. We must let the courts do what they have to do. It is a big case. I mean, it is a huge case, and there's a lot of hearsay going on. So it's better that the court take their time so that they make right decisions, and not at the end of the day, because this is what keeps on happening in Reiger Park, where people they don't get arrested and prosecuted. They get left, and then at the end of the day, the people don't get punished for what they do. There's too many deaths in Reiger Park. If you should see the list of people that have been shot in the last, if I have to say, the last 7 months, it is a very, very big, huge list. And I think all the families that are here, they also just want justice for what has happened, not just for Jaden Magaman. I see there's a lot of families, even myself, have lost a family member due to these shootings, and it is a terrible ordeal to go through. So all that we as residents of Reiger Park want is just to have some justice, and I think the court should just take their time, because rushing things will, at the end of the day, set these people back into the streets, and the same thing will occur over and over again, and we are really tired as a community, as whoever families, we are really, really tired of this. We just want it to end. If these people need to go where they have to go, if these children have to be locked up, not that we're saying they must be locked up, but if they should be locked up, it must happen so that we can also have a peaceful life. It's been a very bad 2 years for us as residents of Reiger Park. We've been going through hell with all these shootings, and we would really just like to go back to having an ordinary life, living as if you are part of South Africa. Currently, we are living as if we are part of another country, because it doesn't stop. It really doesn't stop.